How to grab a still in DaVinci Resolve 18 or 19. So if you want to grab a still in DaVinci Resolve 18 or 19, then what you need to do is just open up your DaVinci Resolve and you need to go with a project. So I'll just simply go with a new project. Now you can just import something. Once you've imported, like for example, if you want to grab a still in this first part, then what you need to do is just simply go with the color section, which is on the bottom. Once you click on color, then here you just need simply right click on your space and then you will have an option of grab still. So click on grab still and here you will get this kind of interface, right? So you just need simply right click on this one too and you will have an option to export. So click on export. Once you click on export, now you need to select the location where you would like to save and then go with export. You can also go with save as type and then choose the file and then go with export. That's it. That's how you can grab still in DaVinci Resolve. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.